Turkey. Bring out the prisoner, William Gluck. Yes, Colonel. Come out.
Thought you were in a hurry to get me in.
Look, General Lannon is inclined to offer you clemency in return for information.
What clemency can anyone expect from Gurko Lannon?
If you value your life, give us the names of your accomplices.
I don't value it that highly.
So you're the young man who made the mistake of shooting at me this morning.
My mistake was in missing you.
You are worse than an assassin. You're a fool.
That's what your countrymen think of you, Colonel Zimmerman, for saving Gurko Lannon's life 3 years ago, when Lichtenberg might have been saved by another fool like me. I missed you this morning because I was too far away. But now...
Stop! Let him go. That was the second mistake you made, Gluck. Men like you never realize that I rule you collectively because I can master you individually. They tell me that you're a blacksmith.
And proud of it.
Good. Well, I'm the son of a stonemason, and also proud of it. Zimmerman, you're not to interfere under any circumstances.
Yes, Excellency.
Now you can hang him. Guard, fall in. Will you please say that Her Royal Highness's carriage is ready to start?
Yes, Baron Bonoho.
We're ready.
You have everything? Money, passports?
Everything.
Remember, you'll not be out of danger for a
Oh,
moment.
yes, I know, but please don't worry about me. General Lannon will never suspect. For years I've gone for a drive every afternoon at 5 o'clock.
Yes, but today you're driving to Paris. If anything happened to you, I should never forgive myself.
My dear, we both know that our last hope is for you or for me to make a personal appeal to the French. For weeks, General Lannon's watched your every move. Therefore, I'm the one to go. I thought we'd settled all that.
This will inform Louis Napoleon of true conditions in Lichtenberg and what we offer for his intervention. It will be fatal if it falls into the wrong hands.
I'll see that that doesn't happen.
Her Royal Highness's carriage is waiting.
Very good start. If you look at Louis Napoleon like that, you'll come back with an army corps. Well done, Stott.
She's pretending to go for her afternoon drive, but she intends to go further, across the frontier, then to Paris.
Her Royal Highness has just left the palace.
You may go, Stott. Well done.
Thank you, Excellency.
But you will stop her.
It's difficult to believe that the Prime Minister would accuse himself of treason in writing.
But you've got him now, Excellency.
You must have patience, Zimmerman. Patience is a wonderful thing.
Yes, Excellency.
When you're after mice, you can treat them as mice. But von Neuhoff is a lion, and you can't catch a lion in a mousetrap. But treason, that will bring down even a lion.
Yes, Excellency.
See who it is, Stott. Lovely afternoon for a drive, my dear Baron. Your parting with Her Royal Highness must have been very touching. I'm wondering how you could bring yourself to permit a beautiful and inexperienced young girl to set out for a foreign land carrying a very dangerous letter in your own handwriting. You see, my spy system works very well.
Just what do you mean, Lennon?
I mean that when a prime minister conspires to set troops of another nation against his own people, it is called treason and is punishable by death. I've just given orders to have Her Royal Highness brought back. And with her, the proof of your treason.
You wouldn't dare to lay hands on Zona of Lichtenberg.
You mean that I wouldn't dare to permit Her Royal Highness to leave Lichtenberg? Aside from my personal feeling, Zona of Lichtenberg is the symbol of an authority that has existed in this country for 20 generations, and I desire to employ that symbol extensively in my dealings with the people. Up to now, your influence has prevented a closer understanding between Her Royal Highness and myself. It is a pity that such a brilliant career as yours must come to an end, my dear Baron. Zimmermann.
Excellency?
Baron von Neuhoff is to be confined in the palace dungeon until the day of his trial.
Guards!
That's the first free breath I've taken since we left the palace. I can still feel every soldier in the city staring at the back of my neck.
I'll feel like breathing when we cross the frontier at Petch. Poor Baron von Neuhoff. I wonder what will happen when General Lannon discovers we've gone.
Let's think of what would have happened if we hadn't gone. It's getting chilly. We're being followed. By whom? The palace guard. Max, hurry.
She's seen us. This way! This way!
Faster, Max.
Are you all right, Countess? And Her Royal Highness?
No, don't worry about us. Go get the horses.
I'm terribly sorry if my dog's frightened you.
You ruffian. My poor lamb.
I do